Well, you're about to see the most unique Ford tractor you ever saw. Looks a little different because the engine's gone. This was a 41.9N and I got it from out in Nebraska. It had a broken motor. So one day I sat there and studied a little bit and decided, well, I'll put this tank in here. So I replaced the engine with a tank, built a firebox down at the bottom. My smokestack operates off from the throttle control. We got air horns. All the lights work. Hot water tank on the top. Wash your hands with. Over here is where we do the cooking. This is all on stainless steel rollers. There's some ribs smoking there for lunch. Keep my cutting board up here, along with a dinner bell. The condiments, necessary beverages, horns. I got backup alarms. I've got flashing front lights, flashing back lights. I took the gauges that were normally on the tractor, and the temperature gauge now is the temperature of my cooker. My voltmeter is the condition of my batteries. It runs on 12 volt. I have shore power that I can plug it into to keep the batteries charged when I'm on site, because when you're flashing all of these lights and blowing the horn a lot, it eats the batteries up pretty good. Being it's a tractor as well as a smoker, I had to make it go. This was a lot of R&D, but we came up with a system that really works well. I've got this little 3.5 horse motor here. It drives a hydraulic pump, my reservoir. The pump drives through this controller with a forward and reverse, speed control, and an electric clutch. That drives down to a hydraulic motor that drives a 13-to-1 reduction on a gear chain back in through the PTO, transmission, and back to the drive wheels. It'll move at about a fair walking speed, or for parade use and like that, it'd be nice. My compressor is 110 volts. That's what operated the air horns. Of course, that only works with shore power. Let's see if we can make it go.